Boom 1007 May 2026, and I am Iron Man. Okay, let me show you how to enter these Boom 1000 trades. You are supposed to look at the support to the left side of the quotes. For example, here our quotes are at this level and we have this support at the left side, and this is our resistance. So I am also expecting this graph to spike upwards at this point, this support. So we are going to see if it is going to spike there. On a broader picture, we have a W shape here. This is a W shape. So we have a potential for a spike at this level because we are not yet at the top. This thing is still moving. So let us see. But this one, the entrance or these trades were executed basing on this support level to the left. So this graph was moving and I entered the trades at this level and then it went up. It spiked up. Now I'm basing on this support. This is the reason why I'm waiting for another spike, because we have a bigger resistance at this level. So this is why I am still waiting. So far I have $25 profit from $66 capital. This is Boom 1000. This is my daily meal. So we are still waiting. If you don't have an account, please do not hesitate and do not delay. Simply go to the bio section when you are watching this on TikTok and then create your account, or go to the description section below this video on YouTube for you to create your account today and start trading today. Let us wait for it to reach this point. We want to see if this support, the support level, is at the point where the green candlestick started. The root of the green candlestick is here. So this is our support, and it moved up and resisted here. And then it moved down or it retraces. We have another support here. It moved up. We have another support here. It moved up. And then we have another support here. It moved up. Now we want to see if this support is going to support our spike again. Let us wait. If it fails, then I'm going to close because I'm banking on this support. So we are saying the link is on bio. Link in bio. Meaning to say you need to create your account now. I'm not saying you, after creating your account, you are supposed to trade on your account. No. Go and trade on demo account because you learn on demo account. But apply the same principle. You just check the supported your immediate left, and then you place your trades closer to that support. It retraces, and then I placed my trades at this point and it went down and spiked up. So this is what you do. So now I'm waiting for this support, this one, to see if it is going to spike. If it fails, then I will close my trades and then wait for it to go down. Yes, so I'm still waiting because it's not an obvious case that it is going to spike at that level. Sometimes it can break the support and keeps on going down. But mostly if you see these spikes, like if we check the spike at this level, let me see something. It is at 14,105. If we go to the left side, we can see this one spiked at the same area. This one, 1409. You can see. So let us go back. Like what I was telling you, now you can see $35. It is spiked closer to this support. This is it. I think I tried to make myself clear. Thank you so much. Good time. Goodbye. Closed.